All right, everybody, welcome to Precisely Guessing. That's Mike. He's going to help us. And today we're working on the 2009 Polaris 700. And this was the sled that was in the back of that Dodge we unloaded. And you can see it's a little bit foobarred. It's a performance option though, that's fine. And so the tunnel is a bit bent. I don't know if you can see down it, but we're going to straighten that out today. I have a slightly better seat to put on it. I have a hood to put on it. I have a new pipe to put on it and new control arms to put on it. And that'll at least get us started. I also have to pull the airbox off and dump it out because there's a bunch of glass in it.
What's wrong with that control arm?
This one?
Yeah, what's wrong with that?
Yeah, that's a little kinked.
It's perfect. That's a performance option.
Well, I mean, yeah, it gives you more flex, I think, is what it is. So
more room for bigger springs.
yeah, that's what I was thinking. You're right on top of it. So
hey, this lower A arm that you fixed is still good shape.
yeah, this A-arm last season I had to weld and bend and do all kinds of stuff to make it fit again, and it didn't bend at all in my car accident. So it's gonna be a great spare. And we also are gonna have to check out all the wiring that's here and make sure nothing's all sliced up. So here we go.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Okay, this is what it looks like so far. We got the old pipe off. He's putting the new one on right now. I got these control arms all fixed. I got this hind joint fixed. We're just going to leave these control arms on because they're not in too bad a shape. We got the tunnel better. Most of the bend that it looks a lot more bent than it is just because of the rear bumper, but it's actually fairly straight. It's not hitting the track anymore. Got some space under here.
Just dump it right up.
So it's coming along.
yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big boss, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase it? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Okay, we're done working on it for today. My helpers abandoned me, and Josie's in a bad mood.
Whatever.
That's Jeremiah, by the way. I don't think I introduced him earlier. But Jeremiah and Mike bent my tunnel back close-ish to shape. The bumper is still pretty foobarred, but it's not touching the tunnel anymore. The track isn't. And then we put the other seat on it, so I don't have a duct tape monstrosity. I only have a little hole that I got to deal with. And the other hood is on. We took the air box off and dumped all the glass out because there was some shards of glass in there. And then got everything all fixed up. Put the new hind joint on that side. Put the control arms on this side. And we still have everything down here left to do. But that's going to be done later. And that's it. Thanks for watching.